Good morning, friends. How's your new normal doing? Wow. I'm not gonna stress about it. Just clean. Just clean. It's interesting, isn't it? How overnight everything can change. But for right now, this is the new normal. We just got word yesterday that Utah schools are not going back till May 1st. And I am feeling overwhelmed just like a lot of you. I've gotten a lot of messages and seen your comments that saying how overwhelmed you are with the school stuff, and my inbox is flooded for the kids, and each kid has a different temperament and feelings on this, so it's a lot to take in. And I've always given credit to the teachers, but man, hats off to you. You're freaking amazing. Wow. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. All right, so I'm doing the new norm. So right now it's chore time. We created the routine for while the kids are here. You might have seen it on another video. Here's the paper. So right now it is chore time. The kids are working on chores. They're downstairs doing chores. And then we will start on lunch in school. They do have tutoring today. A lot of the tutoring is online now. Through Zoom, which is super nice. Right now I am about to wipe down my bathroom and give it a good cleanse. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I did have a breakdown yesterday. A breakdown that I have not had in a very long time. I've had little breakdowns, but I had a big breakdown. And there was major tears, some swearing, and fear. Fear came like flowing in. And today I'm like, no fear. No, not today. I'm in fear right now of the unknown, and there's nothing I could do about it. There's nothing I could do about it. Heavenly Father is fully aware of our situation. He has blessed us so far to this point, and I'm gonna have faith. Fear does not come from Heavenly Father at all. It comes from the adversary. But I feel good today. I think having that emotional breakdown yesterday and just I cried it out, and today I feel better. But last night I slept with my weighted blanket. It was on the floor for a couple days, and it was like out of sight, out of mind. And I got really good sleep last night with my weighted blanket. I ordered this off of Amazon a while back, but this is a new one. This is a 20-pounder. I started off with a 15-pounder, gave that to Boston. Now I got myself a 20-pounder. I got Felix a 20-pounder for Christmas. That's Callie's fiance, and Callie got a 15-pounder. So everyone really likes the weighted blankets except for Jonah. Jonah does not like them. It's so interesting. He does not like them. Shaylee, I'll show you later, she has got a sheet. I'll leave the company name down below. The name Boston is in the brand name. They do fitted sheets. It's like a sheet. It's like spandex material that fits a mattress like you were putting on a pillowcase. So it goes on that way. So I need Derek to help me put it on, and it snugs them in. I'll show you later. I just got Shaylee's out of the wash, so I got to put it back on her bed. So I'll show you later. So she loves that. So yeah, but if you can get your hands on a weighted blanket to help you right now, if you're feeling stressed, depressed, anxious, scared at this moment in time with everything that's going on, I highly suggest it. I'll leave a link to this one. It was my saving grace, and it's back on my bed to remind me to use it. So I really got some good sleep last night. So today I feel really good. So I thought I would take you around and just share with you our new normal, because last night I was like, all right, this is the new normal for a while. Let's embrace it. It is what it is, and we're going to adapt. And that's what I'm doing today. I feel much better today than I did yesterday. So, all right, let's clean a bathroom. I'm gonna wipe down my counter with some wipes. These are the Kroger disinfectant wipes. That's all we could get our hands on right now. It's not like the Clorox where it says it kills the coronavirus or the one strand of it, but I don't care, just disinfect. I can't stress. I'm not gonna stress about it. Just clean. Just clean. Do you like my spring apron? Can't remember where I got it. I don't know if one of you gave it to me, and if you did, will you comment? Because I can't remember. I've gotten aprons in a lot of places, and I don't remember. I need to start writing on the tag or something in the aprons who's given me it and things. I did it on a couple occasions, but then I forget. So if you gave me this beautiful spring apron, I don't know if I bought it or if someone gave it to me. Will you please let me know? And if you've ever sent me an apron, will you comment below and say which one so I can put your name in it? Some of them, like I said, I have already, but I really want to keep your guys' names in there because it makes it more personable, and I just love that. No, it's not Xbox time. No. It's not Xbox time. We have a routine. You know when Xbox time is. Anybody else having this conversation with their kids right now? Yeah. I'm gonna clean the toilet, but I'm not gonna take you along for that because ew. And then the bathroom will be wiped down. Okay, so you have your kids home. Part of their chores could be to get a cloth and wipe whatever you got and have them go around and wipe down the light switches and doorknobs. And then you'll feel really good that that's been done. Yep. I like doing it at night. Kind of like, I don't know. Lately I've been doing it at night though. But right now I'm just doing it in the bathroom. But at night I've been going around doing it to the doorknobs and light switches before bed. Just, I don't know. It's been bringing me peace of mind before I go to bed. But anyway, have your kids do this. So yeah. He's trying to figure out his online schooling. Every day it's something new with all the kids on how to do things. I'm still trying to figure out Shaylee's. We've done some, but there's parts that we're missing. And that's what I'm working on right now. Trying to get her stuff on my computer, and that way Boston can just use that for his. He got a Chromebook from school. She could be on the Chromebook too, but I figure she could be on my computer while we figure all this out. I have her math book here. She's working on timetables. Yeah. And then and it's just bananas. It's just bananas because all the kids have to be on the computers at different times, and not everyone works well together, so we have to move children and teens, and yeah. How are you guys feeling? You doing good? Doing good? Yeah, we've already done tutoring today, and now they're doing their schoolwork, and then I still need to figure out dinner. I have an idea, but I want to get this school thing figured out. It's already...
Can you make my favorite soup?
Oh my gosh, it's already 3 o'clock. Too late for a crock pot meal. I'll figure this out. We'll be eating. No stress. Let's focus on school. Can we? School. Okay, if you have a child that has a hard time sitting still and needs breaks often, one thing that we learned with Shaylee is my 9-year-old, is that with her breaks, she needs to do something like stimulating, like either go run up and down flights of stairs or get her mind off. And one way that we do this too is with games. So in between breaks, we're doing a Connect 4 game. She loves doing this. Something that just brings her somewhere else. So we'll do a couple of rounds of this, and then we're right back at work. So, and then after this, she's done and can have free time. She's having a snack right now, and then I can cook dinner. It took a crazy while to figure out setting up the school system on the computer. Right now I'm taking a break too. I'm watching Samantha from Happily a Housewife. Do you guys watch her? her link is below. She's awesome. I was watching her video yesterday and she mentioned me in it and I was like, oh my gosh, I love you. And I love her too. I watch her every time she puts a video up. Love, love, love her. Been following her forever. Adore her. So if you haven't checked out Samantha from Happily a Housewife, I highly suggest you do. So all right, we're gonna play Connect 4 and then we're gonna get right back to work. All right, we are gonna have sloppy joes. It is on the list for the 2 weeks, so I decided to go with this because I can thaw this out really quick. We have hamburger buns. I'm going to do a green salad. Yeah, the kids just, when we have this, they just focus on the sloppy joes. So I think I'll just do sloppy joes and a salad, and then I have ice cream that they can have for dessert. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna thaw this. Well, it says thaw in fridge overnight, but that's not happening. So I'm gonna get this in the microwave, get it going. Once it's movable, I'm gonna move it into a pan or a pot and let it simmer and for 20 minutes and we'll have dinner. All right, dishwasher's done, and now that Dad is done with his conference call, we're gonna unload the dishwasher and then fill it up. I've got things waiting here and here. Wow, I swear I've been doing more dishes on this quarantine than I did before. All right, cleaned up. Whew. All right, so now the sloppy joes are still a little frozen. I got the pan on. We're gonna break this down and it's going to simmer. Look at that, yummy. Yummy, yummy. This is the Pioneer Women's recipe too. I'll try to find a link and link it below. We are escaping.
Escaping.
We're escaping.
Escaping. Nice.
We just did a live on Instagram with you guys. That was fun. Talking with a lot of you and where you're at and what's going on. That was nice. Well, the kids are eating and we are leaving. We are going on a drive to just be together.
Out of the house.
This will be our date. Maybe we'll pull over somewhere and make out.
Maybe.
Maybe. Like, yeah, no. Anywho.
Did you just snort?
Yeah, I did.
Turn it into your mother.
So, we are gonna go for a little drive and we're gonna go get something to eat. Derek has had a very stressful day at work and he was already had some cravings, and we've been really good with our meal plan, but we're gonna go grab a little something.
Sneak something.
Sneak something, and then I'll go home. We'll go home. After we'll go home and do reading. Make sure the kids get their reading in and go to bed. I'm ready for bed. I'm ready for a bath. I've been having a bath like almost every day just because it's such a release. And so, yeah. So we're gonna go for a drive. Just see outside. Hi. It's like, hi. And yeah, and have a moment together. So if you're feeling a little stir crazy, I encourage maybe going for a drive.
At least go outside.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't feel like you're...
Go for a walk.
Stuck behind four walls.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing tonight. Trying to feel a little normal in this unnormal life that we're having right now. So Derek's putting on her spandex sheet. See,
it's not spandex, but it's...
Well, something like it. I don't know what else to call it.
Stretchy like spandex.
And so it slips on like a pillowcase and it's breathable. She could sleep with her head all the way in it, crawl to the bottom of the bed if she wants, and it's totally breathable. They're made to help kids with sensory issues too, and kids that have autism, or if you don't want to use a weighted blanket with your child, they could use this. And she likes this a whole lot better.
If they love covering their face or feeling snug.
I mean, she could see through it, and she'll sleep all the way at the end of her bed with, like, it makes us nervous, but it's totally safe. So I'll leave a link for these. I think it's called Boston Beds or something like that. But I'll leave a link down below, but it goes on like a pillowcase does. So
Undergun.
Oh, under her pillow. So yeah, this is wonderful for her. She sleeps so well with it. And we noticed that with her, that she already with her blankets, she'll like completely crawl in and like tuck herself in. We're like, girl, can you breathe? And then we found out about this through a doctor, and oh my word, it's fantastic. So I'll leave a link for it down below. Would you look at that? When Derek and I went for a drive, we got a drink, and I've got my phone, and I have a Nutty Buddy bar. So I'm gonna crawl into this tub, and I'm gonna fade away by watching Pride and Prejudice with Colin Firth, and just soak away and not think about anything other than Mr. Darcy. So that's where I'm gonna leave you tonight.
How fortunate. I must claim it.
You're disturbing me as I watch Pride and Prejudice.
Oh, you have your Coke. I got your ice
Yes,
water.
thank you.
Import, sir.
Yeah, what happens to me sometimes, Derek?
Well, you get it so freaking hot, you overheat.
I do.
It's not warm enough unless you're a lobster.
That's right. I have to be red when I get out. Thanks to the water. Yeah, last night I got a little too overheated, so. Water, thank you, baby. So I'm gonna get back and watch. Okay, which Pride and Prejudice do you guys like? Do you like the one with Colin Firth or the new one with Kirsten, what's her name? I'm drawing a blank. I like both for different reasons. But the Mr. Collins in this one drives me bananas. But this one's I haven't watched this one in a long time. So I'm really glad that it's on Hulu right now. So I'm gonna get back to this and relax. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you soon. Bye.